Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking on my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bethany. I am a wife and mom to 7 kids. On my channel I do everything associated with being a mom. I will give you cleaning motivation, how to create space when you have none, and more. If you like that kind of content, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below, and introduce yourself. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. You know the deal. And let's get cracking.
Yeah, take a bite of my burger, babe. Save the last bite for you, for you. Ooh. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too, too. 7 years of imperfect love, 7 more and another one, and another one. Finding you was a wanderlust. 7 wonders all in one, all in one. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too, too. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.